Greetings everyone. Welcome back to the Miniature Manual. In this video I will be unboxing one of the Hong Kong Toycar Salon 2024 Special Edition model car from Tarmac Works. Thanks to Tarmac Works for sending me this model car. This is a Hobby64 Ferrari F355 Challenge, 1994 Macau Super Car Race winner driven by Charles Kwan. The packaging features a Ferrari logo on the front side with car name on bottom right corner and Tarmac Works IXO logo on the bottom left corner. This particular model is limited to 3,552 units. Rear side of the box features license info and product description. As it is a collab model with IXO model cars, that's why the box contains IXO logo. And if I'm not wrong, this is the first release of this tooling. Let's unbox. The model car comes in an acrylic case. Plain red base with some informations about the car. Comes with a certificate with the number of the car. Let's unscrew it from the base. Right below the window there is a sticker of the driver. Just beside the rear wheels there are Pininfarina badges on both sides. Rims and ride height is perfect, I believe. The wheels also features drilled rotors and brake calipers. There's a nice prancing horse logo on the grille, though it's not super detailed, but it's not too bad. Headlights are separate particles with yellow lines. Fog lights are painted. Seatbelts are painted, and if you look closely the gear knob is painted too. The sponsorship stickers are all over the car. Paint quality is good. Rear lights are separate particles with yellow lines. Rear side Ferrari badge looks like it is a sticker or is painted. On top of the right rear lights the model of the car is painted with silver paint. The rear side also features quad exhausts. This part is engraved. The base is plastic with little details and brand logos. Side mirrors are painted in silver, or it can be reflecting stickers. Wheels roll smoothly.